All right, imagine opening your Linux Mint desktop and it actually feels new again. Not because you installed a new operating system, but because the entire look and feel has changed. In this video, we're going to transform Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon using three stunning themes: Vimix, WhiteSur, and Orcus. Each one brings a different personality to your desktop, from clean and balanced, to sleek and modern, to elegant and vibrant. And the best part is, everything you're about to do is simple, safe, and completely reversible. Let's start from the beginning. Before installing any theme, it's always a good idea to prepare your system. Open your terminal and update your system so everything is running the latest packages. This helps avoid small compatibility issues and keeps the experience smooth. Once your system is updated, we'll install a small tool that we'll use to download the themes. That tool is Git. If you already have it installed, you're good to go. If not, just install it once and you'll use it for many things in the future. Now we'll begin with the first theme, Vimix. Vimix is one of those themes that feels modern without trying too hard. It has clean lines, soft colors, and a very balanced design that works well for both light and dark setups. In your terminal, download the Vimix theme from its official repository. Once it's downloaded, open the folder. Inside, you'll see an install script. Run that script and it will automatically place the theme in the correct location. Give it a few seconds, and once it's done, open your system settings and go to Themes. Now switch the applications and controls to Vimix. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the difference. The interface feels cleaner, the colors are more consistent, and everything just looks more refined. Take a moment here. Open a few apps, move around your system, and feel the change. Now let's move to the second theme, WhiteSur. This one is inspired by macOS, so if you like that smooth, polished, and minimal look, this theme is going to stand out immediately. Go back to your terminal and download the WhiteSur theme. Just like before, open the folder and run the install script. This theme usually includes multiple styles, including light and dark versions. After installation, go back into Themes and apply WhiteSur to your applications and controls. And right away, you'll notice a completely different vibe. Rounded corners, soft shadows, and a very modern interface. It almost feels like you switched to a different operating system, but everything still works exactly the same. If you want to take it further, you can later match it with similar icon Macs, but even on its own, it already looks impressive. Now let's install the third theme, Orcus. Orcus is a perfect mix of elegance and color. It's slightly more expressive than the others, but still very clean and comfortable for daily use. Once again, download the Orcus theme using your terminal. Open the folder and run the install script. After it finishes, go back to Themes and apply Orcus. You'll also notice that it comes with different color variants. You can try a darker version, a softer one, or something a bit more vibrant depending on your preference. Spend a few seconds switching between them and you'll see how each one changes the mood of your entire desktop. Now, step back for a moment. You started with a default Linux Mint desktop, and now you have three completely different looks you can switch between anytime. That's the power of customization. You're not locked into one design. You can adapt your system to your mood, your work style, or even just your taste for the day. If you want to go even further, you can explore matching icon packs, cursors, and panel tweaks. But even without that, these three themes already give your system a fresh and premium feel. Take your time, try each theme properly, and see which one feels right for you. And just like that, you've transformed your Linux Mint desktop into something that truly feels your own, clean, modern, and enjoyable every time you use it.